Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to discuss about CRUD operation, and we'll start with C, that is create. In last video you saw that we created one database, and inside a database we can have multiple collection, and each collection can have multiple document. If you wanted to relate it to the SQL database, then database is database, collection will be like a table, and documents are like one particular row. So this is the database what we have created, and if I'll go to collection, here I have only one collection, that is my collection, and inside that there is no record. Now let's discuss about insert one and insert many. So first we are going to create one collection, that is friends, and then using insert one I'm going to insert one particular record. But if I wanted to insert multiple record, then I have to keep it inside a list, and here I have multiple records are there. Now let's execute this. Process has been completed. Now let me check. Now if I'll refresh this page, you can see we have one more collection, that is friends, and inside this collection we have multiple document. Now we are going to discuss how to insert nested or embedded data or array data in a document. If you see the address part of this document, which is a JSON itself, and there are different attributes like address line 1, room number, street and zip code. And for second document, for skill, this is a list. So I have multiple skills like Python, PySpark and SQL. Now let's execute this code. If I'll refresh this page, we can see there is address, which is object, and all these attributes are there. And if I'll go to the second one, this is an array and multiple skills are here. Thanks for watching.